Good morning, children. I hope you had a lovely weekend. Friday was a holiday for Shivaji Jayanti. I'm sure you all must have enjoyed the festivities. Okay, now let's begin with the prayer. First, we were doing the prayer, Give me oil in my lamp. Let's start. Give me oil in my lamp, keep me burning. Give me oil in my lamp, I pray. Give me oil in my lamp, keep me burning. Keep me burning till the break of the day. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King. Make me a fisher of men, keep me seeking. Make me a fisher of men, I pray. Make me a fisher of men, keep me seeking. Seeking souls till Jesus comes again. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King. Give me joy in my heart, keep me praising. Give me joy in my heart, I pray. Give me joy in my heart, keep me praising. Keep me praising till the break of day. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King. Now we'll start with English. Come to page number 65. We are doing this chapter called a Shapes Mobile. Many of you all have made the Shapes Mobile, the hanging, and sent it to me. It's beautifully done. बहुत ही अच्छे से किया है. Very, very, very well done. Yeah, there are still a few children who have not made it and sent. So please send it today. Okay. Now I'm just going to revise these shapes once again. So this is square, triangle, circle, rectangle, kite, oval, egg, heart, cloud, star, rainbow, crescent moon, mango, flower, leaf, and butterfly. So there are about 16 shapes which are mentioned out here. We have done this hanging. Now we are going to come to this. Arrange the following words alphabetically. Okay. What you have to do is, what are the shapes name out here? Square, triangle, circle, rectangle, kite, oval, egg, and heart. Now, in this, what will happen is, you have to go alphabetically. Okay. So, for example, which alphabet will come first? Circle. The first alphabet of that spelling. You have to see that. So, first you will write circle out here. After C, D, E, is there anything with E or D? Yes, so there is something with E. So second will come of egg. Okay, so you will write this, continue writing after that. Don't forget to write your name and take a picture and send. Similarly, you will do for cloud, star, rainbow, crescent moon, mango, flower, leaf, and butterfly. Okay, so you will write these all alphabetically and take a picture and send. Now, what is the third question? Do you find these shapes in things around you? Talk about any two shapes you spot. Okay, for example, there are these shapes out here. So I have something in rectangle. So I'm talking about my rectangular crayon box. Okay, so this is a rectangular crayon box. Then this is a rectangular book. Okay, so any two shapes that you can find around you. Okay, then this is a square. This tissue is a square, and this tissue box is also a square. Okay, so where square is what? All four sides are equal. Okay, then So you are with any shape, you can give two examples with any shape. So this is circle. This lid of this box is circular. Similarly, for this bottle, the lid is circular. So it is a circle shape. What is it? Circle shape. So two examples you are going to give from any shape that you find. So minimum how many you will give me is 4. 4 different shapes you should have in your house, and with 4 different shapes you will have 2 examples for each shape. Okay, so you can have circle, triangle, you can have rectangle, you can have butterfly shape, you can have flower shape, kite, oval, whatever you have at home. So you will take out a video and show it to me. Okay, now which is your favorite shape? Where do you find it? Now there will be one particular shape which you like it. Okay, and where do you find it? For example, if you like a circle, okay, then maybe you like the circle mirror in your house. Okay, so something like that. So in your red and blue line book you will write this. Which is your favorite shape? You can say my favorite shape is circle. Where do you find it? I find it on the mirror. Talk about it and write 1 or 2 lines about it. You can say every day in the morning when I comb my hair, I look into my circle mirror and comb my hair. Okay, that is 1. Second, you can also say every day I look in the circle mirror to brush my teeth. Okay, if it's a girl, you can say I like to dress up myself in front of my circular mirror. Okay, so that is the different things that you can talk about. Then draw the shape in your word file and write the name of each shape below it. So this same thing you need to do. Instead of word file, you will do it in your drawing book. Where will you do? In your drawing book. Some of you all have already done it. It's okay, you can submit that again. If you all have not done it, you need to draw all these shapes. All these shapes will come in your drawing book, and you will write the name below each shape. Below each shape, the name has to come. You will draw with a pencil, give an outline and crayon it. Okay, that's what you need to do. Then note that for leaf and flower, you can use the shape of different leaves and flowers. That everybody knows. For which other words are given, you can have variety of shapes. For example, leaf. If you have leaf in your house, you can show me 2 different types of leaves. Some will be broad, some will be narrow, some will be long, some will be short. So there are different types of leaves available. Flowers, again, there are flowers of different sizes which are available. And some of you all must be having plants at home, flowers at home. You can show me that. That's all right. Okay, no need to go and buy anything. No need to go and buy any flowers. Whatever you all have at home, you all will show it from that only. Okay, so this is what all you need to do for your English shapes mobile. Okay, and take a picture. If you are doing it in a red and blue line book, if you are doing in a drawing book, you need to take a picture of that and send it to me. This point 1 and 2, you will write it in the book, write your name and send it. And the video of the things also you will send it to me. So there are 4 or 5 activities that you need to finish for English. Now we'll start with worksheet. Come to page number 2. Page number 2. The worksheet is on singular and plural nouns. Before beginning the worksheet, what are you going to write is my Udan Baikala West MSP School. Sorry, MPS School. Okay, and now in this you will write month as February. Okay, then you'll write your name and date. Now again, this is for singular and plural. A singular noun names one person, place or thing. A plural noun names more than one person, place or thing. Add an S to many singular nouns to make them plural, and ES to singular nouns that end with SH, CH, X, Z and S to make them plural. Now, very, very carefully understand what you have to do. Many of you all are doing mistakes still in singular and plural. Now, when your word is ending in sh, for example, dish, it's ending in sh. So, what will you add here? You will add es. What will you add? Es. So, it will be dishes, dishes, to make it plural. Peach, again, what is it ending in? ch. Where is ch written? Here. And what happens when it's ending in ch? You have to add es. So you will write peaches, peaches. Okay? But now, if it's a book, is it ending in sh, ch, x, z or s? No. So what will you add? Only an s. So books, books. Okay, think and do this. Many of these words have already been done. There will be a few which are new. So you need to think before you write. Okay, think and write and then take a picture and send. After doing this, turn the page and on the back side of this worksheet. On the back side of this worksheet, I want you all to do rote counting from 101 to 200. 101 to 200. So you will write like this: 101, 101, comma 102, comma 103, comma 104, comma 105, so on and so forth until 200. Okay. So this you are going to write, take a picture and send it to me. Okay. Now we'll start with this coloring book. Okay. We have done until this, the fruits and the veggies, whatever it was, we have finished here. Now we are going to come to this page. Okay. Again, where the colors are written, whatever colors are mentioned, we are going to color the same color. Okay. So if O is mentioned, which means you have to do orange. What do you have to do? Orange. Color it nicely. Many of you all have started coloring very nicely. So keep it up and just do it in the similar manner. See to it that no white spaces are left. After doing this coloring, you will take a picture. Do not forget to write your name and send it to me. So we are going to color the last part which is left now. And that is the cream. CR is cream. So O is orange, CR is cream, R is red, DG is dark green, Y is yellow, PUR is purple, PI is pink, LG is light green, and DG is dark green, PI is pink. I think I've colored most of them, most of it, and this is how it will look. Okay, just color it nicely, take a picture and send it to me. Okay, now we'll come to EVS. Okay, page number 86. It's called drama. Drama is nothing but we imitate other different people, different things, different birds, different animals. We even imitate road transport, rail transport. So wherever you can hear sounds, you can imitate on those sounds. Okay, or you can make those characters. So that is only what is drama. So here there is imitation of sounds where animals, birds and vehicles are there. Okay, so what is written is here: encourage the children to observe the sounds made by different animals and birds. Ask them to make different sounds individually. Ask the children to make the sounds of different vehicles shown in the above picture. They can also be asked to identify the sound made by different vehicles. For example, if there was any quiz, okay, what happens is they will just play the sound and you have to tell what sound have you heard. Okay, for example, there'll be a sound. What sound does a cow make? The cow moos. So you will only hear the moo sound, and you have to say it's the sound of the cow. Okay, so I'm going to hand over now to Kian, and he will make the sounds. Similarly, I want you all to make your videos by making these sounds and send it to me. Okay, that's for EVS. Come, Kian. So now, Kian, can you tell me what is the sound of a crow?
The crow makes a sound.
Yes. And then what does a parrot do?
The parrot repeats what you say. Supposing I say hello, he'll say hello.
So he will repeat whatever you say. Now there are a few animals that are given out here. So there's a dog. What will a dog's sound do? Correct. And what about a cat? And what about a cow?
Oh.
Moo, yeah. So, and then what about a tiger? Yeah, look like you are one tiger. Okay. So now again, there are many more sounds of different animals that a person can do. But now let's go to the transport. So, do you know what sound does a aeroplane do? Yeah, so it's like a very loud sound. And what about a train? And what about a bike or motorcycle? Yes. And the bus also has some similar sound, which is a very loud sound. So from far away also you will come to know it's a bus. Correct. Thank you for helping us and showing us the sounds. And yeah, so that's for today. Have a good day. Bye bye.